How to fix limited PayPal account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Now, as of the moment, we are inside the official article of PayPal on how do I remove a limitation from my account. Now, before we begin, let's go ahead and know what account limitation is. Now, this usually means that you won't be able to do certain things with your PayPal account. For example, you might not be able to send or withdraw money. Usually, PayPal will go ahead and ask you to complete some steps to remove your account limitation. And so you want to go ahead and head over to the Resolution Center, or you can just go ahead and click on the bell icon at the top of your dashboard to your PayPal account. So you can just go ahead and see that right here. And once inside, you will be able to receive a notification on how you can go ahead and remove your account limitation. Heading back to the article right here, if all of the steps are complete and your account still remain limited, it's either means that they've already reviewed your account and sent an email asking for more information, or they're still reviewing the information that you have provided. If you're required to upload documents, you can just go ahead and review their tips for submitting documents. And so the only thing that you need to do is to basically go ahead and submit the necessary documents in order to remove the limitation from your PayPal account. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.